Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Spotify login problem when you see the error message saying this email and password combination is incorrect. Don't worry, it's an easy to fix. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify mobile app and tap login at the bottom of the screen. Then, on the login page, instead of entering your email and password, look for the option that says log in without password and tap it. Now, type in your email address or username link to your Spotify account. Double check that you enter it correctly to avoid errors. Then tap Get Link. This will send a login link directly to your email. Next, tap Open Email app and select your email app and find the email from the Spotify. If you don't see it, make sure that to check the spam accounts or the junk folder and open the email and tap go to Spotify button, and this will instantly log you into an account without needing to enter the password. And once inside, you can continue using Spotify as normal. If you'd like it, you can also update or reset your password later for easier login in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.